children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date 26/9/2020. Now see blockade conserving fuel. Today we are going to write our classroom. Now see page number 55. See blockade glossaries 1, 2, 3, 4. These are only your keywords. Okay. After writing first bit keywords, write glossaries. Then see page number 56. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the first natural fuel used by humans. What is that? Wood. Second one. Fuels made from primary fuel are called natural fuel. An example of a liquid fuel is petroleum. Fossil fuel are formed by the dash of plants and animal, remain of plants and animal. Fossil fuel are formed by heat and dash pressure absent of oxygen. These are here. Fill in the blanks. Next here you have only 3 question answers. How many question answers? 3. See, cut second one and write first one. Cut third one and write second one. Cut fourth one and write third one. First answer is in your page number 52. Second answer is in your page number 53. Third answer is in your page number 53. So let us tick now. First you cut and write this in your reader so that it will be easy for you all. Okay. Now next. Children, see. Write like this. Fourth bit, answer the following. Write the difference between coal and petroleum. Difference means always children remember you should draw like this box. You are showing the difference. First you should write coal. Second you should write petroleum. See. It is in your page number 52. Point wise you should write 2 points here, 2 points here. After writing one point, leave one line. First point, first point. After writing this both first point, leave one line. Then you start second point. You should write like this beta. See. Answer. First answer. Coal is formed deep inside the earth. It is solid, odorless and black in color. Coal leaves a black mark when we touch. This is coal side answer. Next is petroleum. See this full from here to here, it is your petroleum answer. How you will write? You know, no? In column wise you will write the answer. Now see second one. What is the second question? Second question. Why are fossil fuel non-renewable? Page number 53. See, one line answer. Fossil fuel are non-renewable source because they take million of years to form. This is your second answer. Now see your third answer. What is third one? Why? What does petroleum drilling means? Why do people test the oil before extracting petroleum? See, third answer. This is your third answer. Page number 53. Second answer, third answer. Here to here. This full paragraph. Okay, children. Now, your fourth answer. You have 4 answers. See, children. Name some sources of 1 minute, children. See, children. First answer, second answer, third answer. After completing this, cut 8th one and write here 4th one. It is in your page number 52. Where? See here. Page number 52. See, before writing that, you should write this. Tick here. This point you should write here. Tick this one. Fourth answer from here. Fossil fuel are. Fourth answer. Fossil fuel are made from the remain of plants and animals which has been buried deep inside the earth for millions of years. Till here to here is your fourth answer. See from where to where this is not there. From here to here is your which answer? Fourth answer. After writing that, you need to draw this one. What you will draw? See, these 3 diagrams and these 3 diagrams. For example, I will show you. See, last year's book, how neatly children have drawn. See how coal was formed. See here, petroleum form. See, after drawing this, you should write like this beta. Neatly you should write like this. From where are these diagrams? See here, this one, and you should write this one here. Okay, with this I have completed your classwork. Thank you.